Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So of course this is February and this is the season of love, and you are probably thinking about what to give to your partner. Don't fret, I have the perfect solution for you guys. If you have been following me for some time, you know that I am a sucker for subscription boxes, and subscription boxes are the places where you can get a lot of things for not so much of money. So this month Zobag, to celebrate love, has come up with two editions of their bag, like one Zobag for women and one Zobox for your man. So you can gift Zobag to either your woman or your man in the season of love. I will be showing you all the products that you can get on in your Zobag, but first I wanted to share this special coupon code with you guys, with which if you order both this Zobag and Zobox in February, you are gonna get free shipping. Along with that, rupees 150 off on your total order. So Zobag this month comes in such a nice pink pouch. I love this bag. This is a very nice bag to be taken around, like you're just going out for some time. You can just take this because it is quite a good size to carry your bottle and your purse, your phone, everything you need, that sorts. First of all, this tint nail polish. This is a very nice red polish because of course red, love, they are synonymous. I haven't used it yet, but of course you will get to know more about it if you follow me on Instagram, because I upload and update you guys about my experience with products on Instagram. This is the first product and this retails for 299 rupees. The next one is this Bio Bloom Under Eye Gel. This is in the variant aloe vera, mint and rose water. Aloe vera and mint, I am already sold on that. This retails for 350 rupees. You are paying 399 for this box alone, and this is 350 on its own. So let me just open it up and feel how it is. It's such a nice minty fresh fragrance. Like, I was just refreshed by just sniffing it, and it feels really cooling. Of course it's mint there. Aloe vera gel and mint will calm down your puffiness, and rose water is just gonna nourish and hydrate your dry under eyes. I am loving this so far. But first of all, this fragrance is everything, like everything. Next, there is this small box from Ilana Organics. Let me just open it up. It is such a nice mint blue packaging. Oh, so this is a sample. This is Ilana Reviving Moisture Mask sample. This is in pomegranate and camellia, and oof, it has a very strong camellia fragrance. I am someone who loves the smell of camellia, but if you don't like it, you are not gonna like this. The fourth one is this Pure Orange Honey Soap. This is by a brand called Nirvana, and this retails for 150 rupees. The moment I had opened this bag, the first thing I could smell was this. This has such a strong orange fragrance. But the thing is that I don't use bar soap, so of course I'm gonna give it to my mom because she does. But I am loving this fragrance. The last product in the women's bag is this Neem Caffeine Glow Gel with aloe vera. This was an optional product. There is also a glow essence, I guess. I will have it linked down below. I chose this Neem Caffeine Glow Gel with aloe vera because neem, caffeine, aloe vera, the three words I live for. And I have been using it for the past 2 days now. And this is really cooling on your face because of course it's aloe vera. What else do you want? And as this has caffeine in it, it's very rejuvenating because caffeine just boosts you up, and that is exactly what this does for your skin. And I have an oily combination skin, so this is perfect for my skin because this is a gel. As you can see, it's a gel. So absolutely loving it, and it has really made a difference to my skin. I know I have been using it just for 2 days, but I can see I wake up in the morning with such nourished skin, not oily. It has actually controlled my oil secretion, but I wake up with a nourished and plump skin. And moving on to the men's Zobox. First of all, just look at it. It's so classy. I have loved. And this is perfect to gift someone. Like, I know my boyfriend is going to be stoked when he sees this. So this, of course, on its own retails for 399 rupees as well. And when you open it up, this one has 5 products as well. So let me just show it to you one by one. First one is this exclusive packaging of this Bio Bloom body butter. This is in the water lily variant, and I know this seems very tiny. This retails for 60 rupees. I was extremely surprised with this body butter. I did not expect this to be so good. As you can see, it's very thick in consistency, but it just melts into your skin, and the fragrance of water lily is so refreshing yet so subtle. I am digging for it. I don't think I'm gonna give it to him. I probably will be keeping this for myself because this is gonna be the perfect hand cream size for my purse, and I'm loving this. Next is this Fabia Wine Face and Body Scrub. This is free from parabens, phthalates and artificial coloring. This is a 100 ml bottle, and this retails for 349 rupees. I haven't opened it up yet, so let's just open it up. I know there are gonna be comments that if you're gonna gift it, why are you opening this? But I don't think my boyfriend really cares about that. So grittiness of this scrub is gonna help the pores to open up and the ingrown hairs or ingrown beard to come out. So this is really nice, and it doesn't have a very strong fragrance because I know most men don't like a very strong fragrance. At least my friends don't. So this is gonna be perfect for that. Third product really surprised me. Did you guys know that Blue Heaven has come out with skincare? Have I been living under the rock? Because the third product is this Blue Heaven aloe vera and tea tree face wash plus scrub. This is for normal to oily skin, and I am gonna open it up because I need to see what this thing is. It smells so refreshing, and it is just like those Clean and Clear face wash. It smells exactly like the Clean and Clear face wash. And aloe vera and tea tree are the best friends for oily skin people, but I think I am gonna use this and not my boyfriend because he is a dry skin person. I am oily skin, so need to try this out. The fourth product is a common one between the women's bag and the men's bag, and that is this Nirvana Pure Orange Honey Soap. My partner is gonna love this because he loves using soap. Citrusy fresh fragrance of this one is gonna be the key point of this. Last product in the men's Zobox is this Gatsby Volume Up Hair Cream. This retails for 75 rupees for 25 gram of product, but I think it's gonna last your man an eternity. It comes like this, but it's so hard. I used a bit of it on a strand of my hair, and it just stayed like that. So men who have spikes are gonna love this, and even if your man back brushes their hair, it is gonna hold the back brush. So that was all for the so that was all for February Zobag and Zobox. I, for one, love this concept that you can give something to yourself and to your partner as well. And with the ZoLove coupon code, you can get a 150 rupees off on that. I hope all of you liked it, and if you want to get hands on your Zobag, I would highly suggest you to use this coupon code and get 150 rupees off. And even if you don't want to buy both of them, the links for both the Zobox and the Zobag will be in the bottom bar down below. Just click on the show more button and all the links would be down below. I hope all of you are having a great day and you will have a great February. Till the next time. Bye.